When it comes to household appliances, your dryer and washer set is among the most vital. We rely on these machines day in and day out to keep our clothes fresh, clean, and ready for everything life throws our way. However, even the best dryer and washer set needs a little attention and care from time to time. Common issues may arise, but don't worry, most problems can be solved easily with a few simple troubleshooting steps. Let's start with one of the most common issues, your dryer not heating properly. Often, this could mean a clogged vent or a malfunctioning heating element. First, check the vent leading outside. A buildup of lint and debris may block airflow and stop your dryer from working efficiently. Cleaning the lint trap after every load is crucial, and occasionally, you'll want to clean the vent pipe leading outdoors as well. If the vent is clear but the dryer still isn't heating, the heating element or thermostat might be faulty. These are parts you can order online, and with a bit of guidance, you may even be able to replace them yourself. If your washer from the dryer and washer set is giving you trouble, perhaps it's not spinning or draining properly. In most cases, this is due to a clogged drain pump filter or an imbalanced load. Open up the pump filter area, usually located at the bottom front of your machine, and clear out any small items or lint buildup. Over time, hairpins, coins, and lint can gather here, causing a blockage. Also, try redistributing the clothes in the drum if you suspect an imbalance. Washing too many heavy items at once, like towels or blankets, can throw off the washer's balance, causing it to stop mid-cycle. Another common issue is excessive noise coming from either machine. If your dryer makes loud sounds, it might be due to worn-out drum rollers or a loose belt. Drum rollers allow the drum to turn smoothly, and over time, they can wear down, especially if your dryer is older. Replacing these parts will bring your dryer back to life. In the washer, noise could indicate an issue with the motor coupling or the shock absorbers. The motor coupling can break if the washer is overloaded, while the shock absorbers can wear down, particularly if the machine is placed on an uneven surface. Regular maintenance can prevent many of these problems with your dryer and washer set. Keep both machines level, as uneven floors can lead to excess vibration and noise. Additionally, avoid overloading either machine. Heavy loads put extra stress on all components, reducing the lifespan of your dryer and washer set. Every few months, run a cleaning cycle on the washer with a specialized cleaner or simply with hot water and white vinegar to keep it fresh and free of buildup. If issues persist despite your efforts, calling a professional technician might be the best solution. They'll have the tools and expertise needed to diagnose and fix deeper problems that might be hard to identify on your own.